What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You saw the title. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to show you how to basically perform this simple hack to get Spotify to play on multiple different devices at the same time. It's not really a hack; it's more of like a loophole, and it's very simple. So basically, what you do, as you can see on my phone, you have a song. So I just searched up a song called "Example." Um, you should hear it. So I'll put it in a playlist. I'll just call it like just call it demo or something. All right, and then I'll go to that playlist. Oh, that's the wrong playlist. All right, that one. And then I'll just download the playlist. Super simple. It got downloaded already. So, and then what I'll do is very simple. I'll just turn on Spotify, turn off Wi-Fi and data. I said Spotify. Turn on airplane mode, turn off Wi-Fi and data, and then just you should be able to play the song. Super simple. And then on the other device, you could just go about playing whatever song you want with your Wi-Fi on. You can change up the songs. You don't have to stick to any one song. You can add multiple songs to this one playlist, and download the whole playlist. Very simple. Anything else? I think that's about it. Like, subscribe, share with friends, turn on the bell, donate. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching. She's a bookworm, knowledge she gives away. In the meantime, I just want to get to know you. Once in a lifetime, I could put the pressure on you. We could do it anywhere, I'm talking